So in conclusion, Thrunite TC20, very capable, powerful, it's got a good range of power outputs. The switch itself is nice. It doesn't feel like it will fail. Okay, I used to work on CNC machines, and it had like NASA switches on it, real clicky click things, and they felt like they would last. This feels quite substantial inside. The knurling is not too aggressive, but there's one thing I constantly found that it would do, and that is it would turn on in its sheath. So whether or not the sheath itself could be improved in a way, so if you had a Kydex sheath, you could have it formed with a piece of leather over there, so when it formed over the top, the Kydex itself would protect and prevent the switch from being turned on, or a slightly more resilient sheath. But I've been using this for 3 weeks now. I've charged it up twice, but it's been on 15 times. Maybe 8 or 9 times I've gone to use it, it's already on in its pouch. So I've tried to find a way. Does it have a lock-off feature? I don't think it does. You know, you press it and it goes on. It doesn't press and go off like some other manufacturers have a lock-off facility on the on-off switch. So aside from you would maybe unscrew the cap or leave something in a way that is not going to turn on inadvertently, I would point out the Thrunite that you would need to somehow have this model so it doesn't turn on its own in just use, just moving around, knocking into things, putting seat belts on, getting in and out of cars, sitting down on the sofa. Great torch, great power, great options, good cell, nice switch, but the switch quite often gets turned on, and whilst you're going about your business, it's running down. So if you can get around that, it's a great bit of kit, but until there's a difference in the utility of that switch, the thing keeps turning on in its page, which is a shame. Anyway, it's got Wessex Blades. Thanks to Thrunite for sending it. It's pretty tough, but the amount of times I went to use it, oh, it's already on. Shame.